With a hybrid learning model underway today, the Fayetteville-Manlius School District is going with an all-remote start this morning, and then they'll welcome some kids back into the classroom tomorrow. But when the kids come back to school, and even starting today online, the focus isn't just on education. Julia LeBlanc joins us live now from FM High School. Julia, we're talking about social-emotional learning here, right?
We are, Dan, and it's a focus in all schools across New York State. So here at FM, it's something they'll be addressing right away, having every single kid in the district fill out a survey on mental health so the district can gauge where they are as far as services they'll be needing this fall. So they'll address the most serious cases first and then spend some time educating everyone on how to take care of themselves.
Emotionally, they're not going to feel ready to learn.
When schools shut down in the spring, Heidi Green and her team started counseling kids online, trying to help the students not only with the loss of life, but major milestones. Green says remote counseling went better than expected, but it comes at a cost.
And there's definitely a loss of privacy. So when students are at home, their sibling might be next door to the, in the room next to them, or their parent might be close by, and they may not have the comfort level to disclose some information they might otherwise disclose.
With the hybrid model, most students will be in the classroom 2 days a week, and they can schedule appointments with the counselors either in person or online on their own time. Plus, everyone will fill out a mental health survey, allowing the schools to take care of serious cases first. There's also a major push to make social emotional learning part of everyday instruction.
And we're really working hard to make sure that they feel comfortable and confident being back here by sharing out lots of information.
And information is power, says Dr. Tanya Pelletieri, who's been counseling kids through her own practice during the pandemic. As everything reopens, she's getting a lot more calls.
Going back to school, I've seen a huge uptick in a lot of those anxious behaviors, lashing out, avoidance, clinginess, that we hadn't seen in a long time.
Something they're all hoping will change once students get back into the swing of things.
I think for the anxious student, just to know that we're so excited to have them back in class and to have the opportunity to work with them directly, see them in person, and make this a good place for them to learn.
Now, FM also has 2 new therapy dogs they hope to utilize this semester after piloting the program last year. Green says it worked really well, and as soon as you bring the dogs into the classroom, you notice that the stress level really just decreases right away in the presence of those puppies. Live in Manlius, Julia LeBlanc, News Channel 9.